Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious omelet with yolk, step by step. First, let's prepare our ingredients. You will need 2 or 3 large eggs, about 2 teaspoons of water or milk, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Crack your eggs into a medium bowl and whisk them vigorously. Make sure the yolks and whites are completely combined and slightly frothy for the best texture. Now, let's get cooking. Place an 8-inch non-stick skillet over medium-low heat for about 2 minutes. This ensures even cooking. Add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter and swirl it around to coat the entire pan. Once the butter is melted and slightly bubbling, pour your whisked egg mixture into the pan, letting it spread out to form an even layer. As the edges of your omelet begin to set, use a rubber spatula to gently push the cooked egg towards the center. Tilt the pan to allow any uncooked egg to flow underneath. Continue this process until the omelet is mostly set but still looks slightly moist on top. Now, add your favorite fillings to 1/2, then carefully fold the other half over using your spatula. Your delicious omelet is ready. Immediately slide it onto a plate to prevent it from overcooking, ensuring it stays tender and moist. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with some fresh herbs, such as chives or parsley, to add both flavor and visual appeal. Serve and enjoy your warm, fluffy omelet right away for the best culinary experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.